Hello and welcome to the Origin of Life on Earth. My name is Katrina Dow and I will be your instructor for this course. I have a background education in advanced biotechnology and forensics as well as paleontology. So I just want to go over what to expect with this course here. So for week 1 we are going to be going over scientific vocabulary, the scientific method, and the metric system just to ease our way into everything here. And then week 2, we're going to dive into atomic structure, chemical bonds, and redox reactions. Week 3, we're going to look at anatomy of eukaryotic and prokaryotic cells, mitosis and meiosis, and genetics and mutations. Week 3 might be a little heavy if you don't have any background in science, but that's okay, we'll get through it together. Week 4, we're going over the theory of evolution, natural selection, and adaptation. And then our final week, which is week 5, we are going to be going over the theories of the origin of human life, well, all life on Earth, really. The major historical eras in the history of Earth, the phylogenetic tree, and we'll touch a little on human evolution because that seems to interest everybody. So when you open up the course, I'm just going to give you a little rundown of what you might see and what the kind of structure of the course is going to look like. So each week is divided into one section. So section 1 is week 1, section 2 is week 2, etc. And then in those sections, each section contains 3 to 4 lectures, and they aren't long, but there will be a quiz at the end of each section. So you're going to have 4 quizzes because there is 5 sections, and I put the final exam in the last section, which is section 5. You have to pass the final exam in order to get your certificate for this course. Now, since this isn't an in-depth course on the origin of life, it just covers the basics, like the fundamental information you need to be able to start understanding how the process works. My only learning expectation of you is that after you complete this course that you understand the basics of evolution and how life on Earth came to be. Also, if you have any questions at any point throughout the course, feel free to reach out and I will answer any questions you may have to the best of my ability. Alright, so now that we've covered the basics of what the course will look like and how it will go, you are free to exit this lecture and proceed to lecture 2, where we dive into our first subject.